Sales funnel is directly linked with your business growth, and especially if you are doing online business. Sales funnel can take your business upward, and sales funnel can stop growth of your business. In this video, I am going to discuss steps to build sales funnel for your online coaching business, and let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pugede and I make videos on building multiple streams of income by sharing your knowledge. Subscribe to this channel to support me and thanks for watching this video. So the number one thing is I will tell you 5 steps of coaching funnel. First step of coaching funnel is create awareness. Until unless your prospects are not aware what you are selling, what you are coaching them, how they will become your customer, how they will buy your products. So the first step of your funnel should be the awareness about your products, about your solutions, so that people can know what you are providing to them. And the next step of a sales funnel is lead magnet. It is a free gift. It may be how to use guide, it may be a video guide, it may be a PDF guide, or it may be a course through email sequence. Whatever you prefer, you can choose. And for giving this free gift, you are collecting their name and email to nurture them, to provide them value, and later on convert them into your customers. And the third step of a sales funnel is sales pitch. Do webinars, do workshop, or whatever model you want to follow that. But after providing value, after providing them free gift, lead magnet, and after nurturing them, invite them to your live webinar, invite them to your workshop. It may be free or it may be costing minimal like $1, or if you ask in Indian rupees, it may be 49 rupees or it may be 99 rupees. And in this webinar or workshop, educate them more than your lead magnet and ask them to buy your premium products. That product will deliver results to your prospects and they will be happy. And the next step of 5 step of coaching funnel is introductory offer tripwire. This is the product that is priced at very low cost, and it is the entry point for your system ecosystem where your students are getting entry and they have to buy this tripwire product first. After that they can upgrade or you can upsell to them. This is not the core product. Core product is the next step. It is a product that show them the full path, but in brief, not at implementation level stage. And the next step of your coaching funnel is core product offer, and this is the main product of your coaching system, of your courses. This product is the ultimate. This product teach them how to do and how to implement the system, how to get results, and this is going to help them from starting point to their finish point. And these are the 5 steps of coaching funnel. If you like these steps, please comment below 5 steps. And now let me tell you how to build your funnel. So there are 2 ways. Number one way is hire freelancers. You can hire freelancers on fiverr.com to build your coaching funnel. I will drop link in the description of this video to hire good quality freelancers. And number 2 way is you can use Groove.cm template and modify. If you don't want to invest money on freelancers and if you want to learn building funnels by yourself, then you can use Groove.cm. In its free plan, you can make funnel. There are thousands of templates. After importing your template, you can modify as per your requirements. So these are the 2 ways to build your coaching funnels. Which one you are going to use? Please comment below. Comment Fiverr or Groove. And next is join Youth Info Hub for any help. If you required any help building your info products, building your courses, building your coaching system, then you can join Youth Info Hub community that is founded by me, and we all are building info products and we are helping each other within community. And if you want to learn more about building multiple streams of income by sharing knowledge, then attend my live webinar. You will find the link in the description of this video. To register for my webinar, I am going to conduct this webinar on Wednesday 8 p.m. and I will teach you step-by-step guide what you have to do. And in this webinar, you will learn a lot of things. So please attend live webinar if you want to learn the things, building multiple streams of income by sharing knowledge. And thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with others so that they can also get benefited by watching this video. Bye bye.